Clark County and Central
Finally!
Kentucky until 9 p.m. Eastern
Finally!
Daylight Time. At 5:41
Finally!
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Let's
producing
freaking go!
heavy rain across the warned area.
Let's
Between
go!
1 and 2 inches of rain.
Look at this! Look at
Additional
this!
rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5
I'm taking a picture of
inches
this.
are possible in the warned area.
Oh my god!
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Yeah, buddy! Let's go!
Thunderstorms.
Let's go!
Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement agency when you can do so safely and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.
It's confirmed! Oh no, it's radar indicated. Oh my god!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Clark County and Central
Oh my god!
until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41
Yes, you.
p.m. Eastern
Here,
Daylight
go, 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 go.
Doppler
Do.
radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain. You have a passion for.
Go, 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 go! Come on!
In the warned area.
Go!
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Wait!
Doctor yet? Don't wait. This could be deep vein thrombosis. A blood.
Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement agency when you can do so safely and have them relay your report to the
Yeah, I missed it. Dang!
Southwestern Greenland County until 8 p.m. At 4:23, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Olive Hill, Carter Caves State Park, Gedling, and Carter. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Kentucky between mile markers 156 and 168. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Carter, Kentucky.
Watch this go off! Watch this go off! Yes! It's so many alerts! What is going on?
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Garrett County.
What is going on?
Southwestern Madison County in central Kentucky until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
God.
At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
Jeez.
thunderstorm was
SBR.
located near Richmond.
I just got an alert.
At 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per
I need to look at the radar. Dang it, what am I doing?
This is a radar
Go, 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 go.
threat.
The following effects are expected: hail damage to vehicles.
Double EAS.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Garrett and southwestern Madison counties, including the following locations: Round Hill, Silver Creek, Gilleste,
Oh, here.
Gateway, Roofton.
Madison counties.
Yes! Let's go!
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room. Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Clark County and Central Kentucky until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Let's
Time.
go! I just got 3 alerts!
Producing heavy rain across the warned
Let's go!
area.
I literally just got 3 alerts! 3 alerts! 3 alerts! Watch this go off! Watch this go off! Yes! It's so many alerts! What is going on?
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Garrett County.
What is going on?
Southwestern Madison County in central Kentucky until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
God.
At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
Jeez.
thunderstorm was
SBR.
located in Richmond.
I just got an alert.
At 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per
Here, I need to look at the radar. God dang it, what am I doing?
This is a radar
Go.
indicated threat.
The following attacks are expected. Hail damage to vehicles.
Double EAS.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Garrett and southwestern Madison counties, including the following locations: Round Hill, Silver Creek, Gillespie,
Oh, here.
Gateway, Roofton.
Madison counties.
Yes.
The following locations.
Let's go.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
For your protection, move to an interior room.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Clark County and central Kentucky until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Let's
Time.
go. I just got 3 alerts.
Producing heavy rain across the Warren
Let's go. I literally just got 3 alerts. 3 alerts. 3 alerts. Oh, God. You told wrong.
Northern Woodford County,
You told wrong.
Kentucky, northeastern Anderson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Franklin County in central Kentucky
Why did
until
you tell
7
me?
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Stupid thing.
At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was
Southeastern
located
Franklin
over
County in
Frankfurt,
central
moving south
Kentucky.
at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following attacks are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be hit Lawrenceburg around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Versailles around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm will be near Lawrenceburg
To an interior room on the lowest floor of a rated ground.
Versailles around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What's this?
In Kentucky, Anderson, Boyle, Gary, Gentleman, Lincoln, Madison, Mercer.
Book south of $1.25 million.
Okay.
Shelby,
After that, I just got 4 warnings.
Garrett,
4.
Anderson, Southwestern Jessamine,
Oh my God.
Washington, Boyle,
Four
Southwestern Casey counties.
warnings.
6:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay, so I got 1 warning today, plus the 3, and it's 2, and then plus 4, so 1,
At 20 miles per hour.
2, 3, 4. I got 8 warnings today. 8.
Are possible
This
with
guy
these
is showing
storms.
me freaking advisory
Torrential
lights.
rainfall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Bourbon, Kansas.
Go.
Warning for Eastern Montgomery County and East
Central Kentucky.
East Central Kentucky.
Shut the hell up.
Until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over
Until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 25
At 2:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
thunderstorm per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following units are expected hail gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
How do you let people know who grew up like we did?
Eastern Daylight Time. Fuel falls around 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Stepstone around 2:50.
Severe thunderstorms include Walker's Crossing, Jeffersonville, and Claymont. For your protection, move to an interior floor of a building. Large hail and damage is continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with interior room on the lowest floor of a building immediately. Large hail and damage,
Winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
For the following counties in Kentucky, Bourbon, Harrison, and Nicholas, a strong thunderstorm will produce
For just $2.
Alright. I was just eating my tortinos and then I heard this guy go off and I was freaking out.
moving south at 15 miles per hour.
Yes.
Winston.
EAS.
Kentucky, southeastern Garrett County, and central Kentucky until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I'm going to do this.
The thunderstorm was located near Lancaster, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazard 50 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and
Sighting entries.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
Expect damage to roofs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Lowest floor of a building
Oh, new station found!
is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Francisco's fun, not fair.
What's that in break speaker?
60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts
Another
are
station found.
expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stanford around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your area room on the lowest floor of a building, torrential rainfall to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a special weather statement for the following counties.
Because the pension system of old has been raided and destroyed, and Social Security is already...
There we go. Like, I don't even know, I think 6?
Counties has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sugar Grove, or 7 miles southwest of Batavia, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Frankfort, Yorkville, Shanahan, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Crest Hill, and Montgomery. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 249 and 267. Interstate 80 between mile markers 124 and 149. Interstate 88 between mile markers 109 and 113. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 7, and near mile marker 11. This includes University of St. Francis, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Okay,
South
to EAS.
Central Lincoln County and Central Kentucky, Southeastern Casey County and Central Kentucky until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Stanford to 6 miles west of Bleep, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will affect the following locations: Halls Gap, Mittenville, Kings Mountain, Ware, Bethel Ridge, Walltown, Argyle, and will affect the following locations: Halls Gap, Mittenville.
Okay, for EAS.
Torrential rainfall is occurring.
And method.
First alert, Weather Center, Noah and his family.
Torrential rainfall is occurring and may lead to flash flooding.
Okay, 5.
Do not drive your vehicle on roadways.
Weather Service forecast for the Bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas.
You're out on the interstate.
Thunderstorms until midnight. After midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Northeast wind 5 miles an hour, shifting to the south after midnight. Precipitation.
Alright, there we go.
20%. Sunday, partly.
Southwestern Jackson County, southeastern Rock County. A severe thunderstorm was located over Lamero, or 11 miles southeast of Mount Vernon, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to
EAS 96.
and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Camp Wildcat around 5 p.m. Hazel Patch around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hare, Carmichael, Pittsburgh, and London. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Laurel, and Rock Castle.
I get it, W160!
Central Mercer County in central Kentucky, southern Richmond County in
But mostly sunny. Western Garrett County in central
What's your
Kentucky.
alerts?
Western Jessamine County in central Kentucky until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Whoa!
Time, severe thunderstorms were located from near Bluegrass Field to 7 miles south of Versailles to near Lawrenceburg, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mercer County in central Kentucky, southern Woodford County in central Kentucky, northwestern Garrett County in central Kentucky, western Jessamine County in central Kentucky until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with 7 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impacts are expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Quick. Alright, good, I got that one.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Vehicle flooded roadways.
Okay, that was good. I don't know how many alerts I've got on that one. Alright. So I got one on Hot 102.5, so that's one. I got one on KIH 41. Got one from the broadcast. I got one on here. And then I got one on my 519, so I got 5 alerts. 519. I actually got 6. Hello, it's me, SBC Lexington 658. While I was editing this video, I didn't realize it, but I'm proud to announce, officially, I hit 100 EAS captures! So, I just want to be thanking all of you guys, because this would not be possible without you, and the cool thing is, I captured it on Hot 102.5 using my Sanjan CO100, and Hot 102.5 is my favorite music station, even though they spam driver's license over and 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 over again. So, I just wanted to say thank you guys for this monumental experience. Like, actually, it's been an honor. Thank you.
North winds. Thunderstorm warning for southern Mercer County in central Kentucky, Boyle County, and
everybody here knows the drill.
Until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mercer County in central Kentucky.
Come on. God dang it.
Eastern Daylight
Frick.
Time. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicator.
No.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near until around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Expect damage for your protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. For your interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash.
Oh, no! Oh, man! I didn't have enough time to do that.
Region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas. Tonight, partly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kentucky, southwestern Boyle County, and central Kentucky.
No!
Southeastern Marion County in County and central Storm 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Expected hazards include 60 miles from the east of Lebanon to 8 miles.
This is a radar indicator.
Moving south at 25
The following impacts are expected. Expected damage to roofs, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Locations of hazards include store, Ellisburg, the following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Store, Ellisburg, Gravel Switch, Chilton,
And Boyle County, Pittsburgh, Jacktown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle on flooded roadways.
The bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas. Tonight, partly cloudy. Isolated showers. Fog after midnight.
Alright, go.
Lows in the the upper 60s.
Well, I don't know. That's why I'm caught by
5 miles an hour, shifting to
Okay.
the south after
That's it.
midnight. Chance of precipitation 20%. Sunday, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper
Red.
80s. Northwest
Kingdom.
5 miles an hour.
Red. Did a song from the.
Mostly clear.
It's funny.
Lows in
Like
the
I made
lower
a TikTok.
60s. North winds
Speaking
up
about
to
you
5
should
miles an
follow.
hour.
Ooh! Oh god, I think I see some rotation. If I only had something that I can... Here, I'm just gonna use this. Here we go. Come on.